I've just picked up one of these Rode SmartLav Lapel mics, which is designed for smartphones. So basically it's just like any other lapel mic, as you can see from the box, but it has the same jack on it as what you've got on your smartphone headphones. So in essence, it is bringing, like the thing says, broadcast quality recording to your phone. Now, as you can see on the bottom of the box there, it's Australian made and owned, which is pretty cool. So, let's have a look at what's inside the box. It doesn't look like there's much, which I wouldn't expect there to be. So we've got this Rode microphones bag, and inside that, instruction manual, got some tips in our instructions on getting the best sound out of the microphone. So we've got quick assembly instructions here. So back to the microphone. In our baggie, we've got our microphone and cable here. So that is basically it. Now we should also have, yep, there it is, I'll get rid of that. So we should have our clip, which is here, and then we've also got a little piece of Velcro there. That is basically our microphone contents. Now, to assemble it, we want to take off our little cover here. So just pull it, it's fairly firm, but it will come off. Now, you do have to do that for the microphone to actually fit into the little clip here. So press it down to release the clip a bit, and you can then slide the microphone up through it. Now you'll see there's some grooves there for it. Once it reaches that point, you can just let go of the little clip on the microphone, and it'll hold it in place there. Now you can go ahead and slide back on the cover, and just give it a gentle push down, making sure to push by that plastic bit at the base so you don't tear it. And there you go, you're all attached in your lapel clip. Now the manual does suggest taking the cable and just attaching it, looping it around and attaching it so that you're not going to get it caught. So to do that, you'll see there's this little groove for it. So just loop it through the clip like I have, and then if you press it into that groove, it'll hold it in nice and firmly. And that way, you've got a little bit of give if somehow you accidentally pull on the cable without it yanking the microphone straight off. So that's it. You're all set, all ready to go with the lapel mic there. Now, we do also have this little bit of Velcro, which is useful for keeping the microphone tidy when you're not using it. So just, you'll see that little flap there, just pull that up as far as you can, and then take the end of the microphone cable and push it down into that groove there, below that flap, as far as it'll go, and then press down that Velcro flap to lock it in place. And what that does is it creates this little Velcro tie, basically, as you can see there, that you can then use to tie all of your cable together when you're not using it. So that's the SmartLav Lapel mic from Rode for smartphones.